Hi guys, this is Trisha at HoopDancer Fitness in West Lothian. Thank you so much for joining me for the last lesson in my beginner 4-week series of hula hoop lessons. If you have enjoyed the series, please do comment, pop me a message, let me know. I will be looking to add some more tricks to this in the coming months. But in the meantime, let's have a look at our last trick in our beginner series. So for the final lesson today, I decided to pick one more of my favourite tricks that I did learn quite early on as a beginner. It is the Z spin, and then moving into the palm spin, which is the slightly trickier variation of it. But it's another super little move that is quite simple, but adds a little bit of pizzazz to any kind of routine. So let's take a look at what our Z spin looks like first of all. Next up, we will be moving on to the palm spin, which is our slightly jazzier variation of the Z spin. This one takes a little bit more work and it requires a degree of kind of balance and dexterity with the hand, so don't be disheartened if you do have to put in a little bit more time on this move, but I just wanted to add it in because it does follow on from the Z spin and it's a super cool move once you get to grips with it. So let's break the Z-spin down and see what that looks like. So we are starting off with the hoop extended to one side. The hand is gripping the hoop from the outside, the thumb is on the inside, the palm is facing behind you and the back of your hand is facing to the front. We're going to drive the hoop down in front, all the way up the other side and up to the top. Up here, we need to make a small rotation with this wrist. The palm is still facing the back at this point. I want you to twist the hand 180 degrees until the palm is facing the front. The hoop is then going to continue on its journey in this direction, but as it does so, the hand is doing another 180 degree rotation to bring you back into the same position that you were in to start with. So we're going down, all the way up, twist, twist, and down, and again, all the way down, all the way up, twist, twist, and down. So let's just take a quick look at what the hand is doing in the Z-spin when it's up above the head there. So if you imagine the hoop is up above my head there and it's gripped in this position. The knuckles are facing away, the palm of the hand is facing me. I am first of all going to do a 180 degree turn so that my wrist and my palm is facing this way, and then we're going to twist it again so that we're back with the knuckles facing this way and the palm facing away. So we've got it up above the head and we're going twist, twist, and that's when it comes back down. Once you have started to get the hang of the Z-spin, the next stage is the palm spin, and this is a super fun little move and I love this one, but it did take me months and months to get the hang of it. The key to this move is basically the ability to be able to open your palm out completely flat to allow the hoop to do that spin on the palm. But the temptation with this move, as you will find when you give it a try, is to grab the hoop. The hoop is up there above your head and it's instinct. You're scared that it's going to fall down, and the instinct is for the fingers to get involved to grab, and that is just going to interrupt the motion of the hoop. So it is all about that kind of flat palm spin that we're going for. So let's take a look at what the actual palm spin looks like. So the procedure for getting into the palm spin is exactly the same as the Z spin. We are starting out to the side with the back of the hand facing this way, the palm is facing the back, we're bringing it down, in front, up above, but instead of our twist twist when we get to this point, this is where we need to basically, I'm going to use this hand to assist, open this palm out flat and let the hoop do the rotation on that hand rather than doing the twist that we've been doing so far. One of the things that I found to be a massive help when I was learning how to do the palm spin was to take the hoop diagonally out to the side rather than trying to do it above the head straight away. So what do I mean by that? If you take the hoop out to the side there, so the hoop is resting in the palm of the hand like so, and you are gripping it to begin with, and we're holding it out to the side, then all you want to do is just release the hoop and let it do a little spin on the palm. Just a single spin, or even half a spin. Out to the side, just to get a feel for what that feels like before you take it up above the head, which is when things get scary. Now, your main troubleshooting with the palm spin, other than trying to grab the hoop, is dropping it. It's probably going to fall down a lot, it's probably going to hit you on the head, it's probably going to hit you in the face. So one tip would maybe be to use a slightly lighter or smaller hoop for this, certainly not your big heavyweight beginner's hoop. And yeah, don't be scared to let it fall down, and obviously try not to let it hit you in the face, but it is going to happen the first few times until your body starts to get to grip with that kind of muscle memory. Again, as with everything else that we've done so far. Thank you so much guys for joining me for the last video in the HoopDancer Fitness Beginner 4-week series. I really hope you've enjoyed these lessons with me. I've had a super fun time putting them all together for you. I will be back next week with one final video when I'm going to put all 8 moves that we've done so far. Well, it's more than 8 actually, because we did a couple of fancy little variations, didn't we, in there. So yeah, got to give ourselves credit for that. I'll be back and I will put all of those moves into a fun little routine for us to do together. If you have any suggestions as to what you would like the music to be for that, please do pop me a message or comment below. Otherwise, you will be subject to my musical tastes and whims, which tend to be on the rock and metal side, but if you would prefer something more pop or dancey, do let me know. I can totally make that happen. Thank you again, as I said, for joining us for this series. Do let me know if you would like to see some more tricks. If you haven't already, do hit subscribe below and follow the channel. I promise I will put up some more hoop tuition videos in the coming months. And do come find me on Facebook. We are HoopDancer Fitness and we're also on Instagram as well. Thanks guys.